Okay, it's Friday afternoon, and I've just came home, and there's two boxes here sitting waiting for me, and well, obviously I know what it is. When I was online, I bought a couple of a couple of pieces of alloy and footrest and things like that off a guy. He was on eBay, and I messaged him and asked him did he happen to have any other pieces, and he asked me what I was looking for because he said he had about 3 bikes sitting complete. So we chatted back and forward, and it turned out he had, well, you've heard me talk about my old bike. My old bike was a blue and white, and it turned out he had two sets of plastics. So I asked him what he would want for a price, and he gave me what I considered would have been a very reasonable price for them, including postage. And he said he was having real difficulty getting them shipped. Because just the size, so we had to send them in 2 boxes. Didn't charge me anything for the 2 boxes, including the postage. So he took £13.50 off me for what you see there in postage, coming from the south of England up to Scotland. Now, I just opened the box, and I say I bought a set, so there's a full set in here. So it's tailpieces, side panels, fairing, upper fairing, lower fairing, plus the side panels and everything like that. And I just opened the first box, and it turns out that I was mistaken. The guy has sent me both sets. I've got both sets of plastics. Look, this is just amazing. One front guard, and he apologised and said they needed cleaned and polished. 2 front guards. 2 lower fairings. 2 lower fairings. Again, yeah, they need cleaned, but absolutely irrelevant. Set them down gently. A tailpiece. I'm actually very, very happy with this. A set of inners. Didn't even charge me for these. It's alright, I'm just in here. I'm not sure what one of those is. Fairings. 1 front fairing. Yep, 1 front fairing. So this one's a bit scratched, but I can live with that. Bit of T-cut, I'll do that no harm in many places. A rear inner guard, fantastic, because you know what my other one was like with the boxes on it. My God, I think he sent me the whole bike. Oh wow, that brings back memories. Inner panel, side panel even. Bloody hell, I just saw something there that I did not buy. Second side panel. He has sent me the blue seats. I didn't ask for those. He's just, what a guy. What a nice guy. And he also sent me a message. I see it's in this box. Look at that. With the blue seats. He also sent me a message and said while he was digging, he found a really good condition screen. All it needs is a bit of a polish, but there's no scratches or anything on it. So another screen. Now, I think this would be all the bits of alloy. Let's see if I can get this right. Bloody hell. I'm not going to tell you how much I paid for this, but it was buttons. What a guy. There's some new old stock parts in here, and again, Oh, look at this. Footrest holder. Look at this. New old stock parts. Two brand new front indicator. A couple of seals, things were for the rear bearing. This all, yeah, and a lot of this stuff was powder coated, so it's pretty much, you know, it's as new. There's a rear stock, so I think that's a rear exhaust. But all these brand new parts, new spring, I think that is for the gear change. Another bush. New, all new old stock. And this, look, hold on, look at that. That's a new old, look, new. He's had it in his storage. £12.50. That's like €14 for a brand new rear seat. Just amazing. He has also sent me this. He did not charge me for it because I have no oil cooler guard on mine, as we saw before. And yeah, another rear footrest and a spring. Again, brand new. Just amazing, absolutely amazing. All that, I've literally paid for half of it.